The 7 best high-fiber tidbits, as per a dietitian. Up your admission of this significant supplement with these basic and tasty bites. However, it probably won't be pretty much as popular as a few different supplements. Fiber is a basic piece of a smart dieting design. It gives a few advantages, such as supporting sound processing, expanding gainful stomach microorganisms, bringing down hazard of persistent infection, and in any event, advancing solid weight the board. The 2020 to 2025 dietary rules for Americans suggest getting somewhere in the range of 28 and 34 grams day to day. However, most Americans are coming up short. Snacks are an incredible spot to begin on the off chance that you're attempting to up your fiber consumption. High-fiber bites can assist you with feeling more full and fulfilled for longer and keep between feast hunger under control. This is particularly obvious when fiber is matched with protein and sound fat, as in these nibble thoughts. As per our high-fiber recipe boundaries, these dishes get started no less than 3 grams of fiber for each serving, which is around 10% of your everyday requirements. The 7 best high-fiber tidbits. 1. Entire grains and organic product. There are multiple ways of coordinating foods grown from the ground grains for a sound, high-fiber nibble. You can make prepared cereal, short-term oats, or entire grain toast finished off with natural product. Adding a fiber-rich spread like nut margarine or seeds can help the stomach's solid potential. Select picking high-fiber natural products like berries, apples, pomegranates, pears, or bananas. 2. Energy balls. Energy balls are like the no-heat cousin of granola bars. They're not difficult to make and consolidate a few high-fiber fixings like oats, nuts or nut spread, seeds, dried products of the soil seeds. Also, they can undoubtedly be made ahead and are versatile for something delectable and fulfilling between dinners. We have a wide assortment of energy ball recipes, from blueberry lemon to peanut butter chocolate, so you can pick seasons that meet your inclinations. 3. Veggie-based plunges. From hummus to guacamole to salsa, numerous flavorful veggie-based plunges are ideally suited for nibbling. Make a major cluster toward the start of the week, so it's prepared when absolutely necessary on the off chance that yearning strikes. Plunging with additional vegetables or entire grain saltines can up the fiber in your tidbit considerably more. 4. Popcorn. Did you had at least some idea that popcorn is really an entire grain? Because of its high fiber content, popcorn is one of the most incredible nibble choices for weight reduction, assuming that is your objective. Add flavors, spices and flavors to amp up the flavor and make this nibbling most loved much more tomfoolery. This recipe would give more than 3 grams of fiber and just 198 calories in an incredible 3-cup serving, so it's perfect for when you need a nibble with a huge serving size. 5. Smoothies. Smoothies are not only for breakfast, they make extraordinary snacks as well. You can undoubtedly add bunches of high-fiber fixings like natural product, vegetables, greens and chia seeds. Get imaginative with what you have available and explore different avenues regarding new flavors to assist with keeping it invigorating. Additionally, on the off chance that you need to prepare ahead, we even have some make-ahead smoothie cooler packs ideal for in and out. 6. Flavored nuts. Nuts are loaded with fiber and proposition so many medical advantages, including advancing heart well-being, decreasing diabetes chance and battling irritation. Including spices, flavors and aromatics can make eating ordinary nuts more delightful and intriguing. Besides, it makes it simple to tweak to your, or your family's, inclinations for a tidbit individuals will really anticipate. 7. Chia pudding. Chia seeds may be little, however they sneak up all of a sudden with regards to nourishment. Only 1 ounce, 2 tablespoons, of chia seeds contains an incredible 5 grams of protein, 9 grams of heart sound fat and 10 grams of fiber. That is almost 35% of your everyday fiber needs. Also, they give great medical advantages like advancing heart well-being, decreasing irritation, assisting lower cholesterol and supporting solid blood with sugaring control. Also, they're really flexible. Appreciate them blended in with your number 1 milk or milk choice to make a high-fiber chia pudding, or basically add them to water and a sprinkle of lemon juice for a riff on our solid stomach tonic with chia. That recipe is perfect for assisting you with remaining customary, coincidentally. The main concern. Fiber is a very significant supplement, however many aren't getting sufficient in their common eating designs. Add one of these delicious, adaptable snacks to your day to up your fiber admission. With fixings like entire grains, chia seeds, natural product, nuts and vegetables, these bites are solid, flavorful and offer some serious resilience to keep between dinner hunger under control. Please don't forget to like, share, drop your comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you.